Hello teacher, in this video I will be talking about Monterrey, Córdoba. I will tell you several reasons to visit and what you can do here. My name is Jessica Lorena Zavala Valencia. Okay. Montelíbano is a municipality in the south of the department of Córdoba, Colombia, of course, located on the right bank of the river San Jorge. Okay. It is well recognized since born the river San Jorge. In Montelíbano, there are also large many companies extracting carbon, gas, and nickel. The most recognized is aromatosis. It is only in Colombia that exports nickel. Okay. The San Jorge River allows you to live from fishing, and on the banks of the river, there are many bars where people will enjoy and share with their friends. This is a very popular activity in my town. Okay. The most important places after the mini company are the Ecology Park, where the Montelíbanenses go to see a number of animals from all perform activity such as finish and game. Okay, many animals. Okay. We also have a beautiful airport, important place for a lot of Montelíbano. Has a beautiful hospital and 2 clinics. Many people enjoy such as swimming pool, football courts, park where you can go for walks and exercise. Nowadays, a very tourist site of you travel to Montelíbano, it is many tracks. Everyone will arrive in the town should take their picture here. Okay. Tropical foods is fish with coconut rice, patacones, and avocado. Okay. The most popular traditions are the Corralejas festivals, Vallenato festivals, Festival of San Boxes. It is my town, Montelíbano. Thank you very much, teacher.